This is Vance Chemistry Urdu channel. Data lecture for chemistry FSC classes and lecture is given by Shanza Asif Vance. And we are discussing about chapter 9 aromatic hydrocarbon. Today we are discussing about preparation of benzene, and there are different methods. First method is dehydrogenation of cyclohexane. Cyclohexane hydrogen is removed by platinum or palladium at 250 degrees centigrade. 3 hydrogen molecules are removed and benzene is formed. Second method is from acetylene, from ethine. 3-acetylene. Acetylene in the presence of catalyst, organonickel catalyst, and temperature 70 degrees centigrade, what is obtained? Benzene is obtained. From sodium carboxylate. Sodium carboxylate in the presence of soda lime. Soda is NaOH, lime CaO. Mixture of NaOH and CaO, calcium oxide, is known as soda lime. When soda lime is added, Na2CO3 is eliminated and benzene is formed. This method is known as decarboxylation of sodium carboxylate. Another method is preparation of benzene from alkane. From N-hexane, hydrogen are removed in the presence of catalyst, chromium oxide, alumina and silica at temperature 500 degrees centigrade, and benzene is formed with removal of hydrogen gas. But if there is heptane having 7 carbon, then all of 7 carbon will not be in ring, 6 carbon will be in ring and 7 will be on benzene ring as branch. In the presence of same catalyst, alumina, chromium oxide and silica at 500 degrees centigrade, toluene is formed and one of methyl is attached as substituent. From phenol, when zinc is added in phenol, ZNO is formed and benzene is obtained. From benzene sulfonic acid, in benzene sulfonic acid there is a bond between carbon and sulfur. Carbon is of smaller size, sulfur is of larger size, so this bond is weak and it can easily be broken by adding dilute HCl and boiling. Then H2SO4 is removed and benzene is formed. Now there is another method, preparation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene is prepared on the mechanism of Wurtz reaction. What is Wurtz reaction? When 2 alkyl halide are taken and sodium metal is added in the presence of ether as solvent, then bromide ion is eliminated as NaBr, sodium bromide, and alkyl are attached with each other to form alkane of longer chain. Wurtz fitting reaction, in which one of reactant is bromobenzene, other reactant is ethyl bromide, and in the presence of sodium metal in ether solvent, then 2 sodium bromide are eliminated and what product is obtained? Ethyl benzene. Work hard, stay at home, subscribe my channel.